For this activity, we're going to create a pattern from a template. Firstly, we're going to use a ruler to connect the points where the circle meets the square. And we're going to go around until we've hit all 4 points to make a square within the circle. From there, we're going to repeat the process. We're going to join up the points like so until we've got 2 overlapping squares in the middle of our template. Now, with a felt tip pen, we're going to follow the pattern we've just created, making sure that each part connects to the point where it meets the circle. And we're going to create an 8-point star with our pattern. Then, with a ruler, we're going to complete the pattern by going around the outside square to make each 4 sides connect. We can make a thick border as well if we want, and then it is complete.